One of my client has come to my chamber and she said she has a proposal from someone high personality that she is a single and he wants to know what is her husband, why her husband left her. This is a very embarrassing question because certain things which you cannot complain on the phone and you cannot talk to because it always matter. There are certain things which always highlight cannot be highlighted and can be feel only because relationship in between husband and wife is a very precious thing, and explaining and criticizing husband as well as wife relationship commonly is not a good thing, what I feel. So if you really, I told her, if he really want to know about your husband, tell him that he should come, you should have some time together, have a cup of coffee together, and then you can explain about your husband. The person who left and went heaven, you cannot criticize him or her also, because we have Indian culture, in Indian culture, certain wives never criticize their husband whether they were happy or not, and certain things which cannot be expressed because the past which was very crucial and very hard, and explaining again and again and telling the other person who has not come into your life and want to come into your life, want to marry you, but you have no option to tell him. So I told her that you should call him and then you can explain about your husband. Then she told me that she left her husband when after the marriage of 1 year because he was very cruel. He asking for the dowry and not keeping her properly, and everything she has lost because of him. So there were so many issues came along because her mother-in-law was not cooperating her and creating hurdles in her matrimonial life and personal life also, and she was not giving space to them to live happily and sleep happily. So there were so many issues which I was very shocked to hear that any other woman can do that also. And it's very difficult for a woman to live in a matrimonial house and where the husband always look after his mom and is a mom boy and want to do all the things, but depending on the mom. So in that very situation, if the interferences come from the parents' side, it's very difficult to manage because once either parents' side of girl's side or boy's side, you cannot live happily in your matrimonial life, and your matrimonial life become very hurdles, very crucial and very bad stage. And that very situation, separation or divorce is the only thing which always happen, because nobody has such a patience in this life that they can go for longer time and bear the consequences from both the sides. Earlier in the state there was no divorce, and they were not going for Hindu marriage act, not following it because they have certain norms in life, and the women were asked to bear all the things, whatever happened in their life they have to bear, their husband, their in-laws, and everything they have to bear. But in present life the scenario has been changed. So based on that, if the husband creates hurdles and lot of problems in the life of his wife, and then it's very difficult for her to live. And there is no option left that she can go for divorce and separation. Fortunately, her husband died from heart attack because he got married again and left her on the way. And then after when he got married, she has taken a divorce, and after divorce she was a single mom and she has to listen so many things from the social side as well as her parents in-laws. So many things were she has to bear, and she was a professional lady and not a very rich lady. In that very situation she has to carry her kids always whereas she goes she used to keep the kids, and because kid was not grown up, and then after that she kept the her kid in the crutch where she didn't feel better because crutches, quality of crutches where the kid has to be kept was not very good. Nowadays the improvement of the crutches has been done even by the government, even in the court also, in Supreme Court also there is a crutch where a woman can keep their kid in the working hours, but before that there was no crutch, so there were so many hurdles. So she had faced a lot of problem, and she had a fight like an advocate every time, and she won, and she's still going hard time, and my client was very bold and very intellectual lady, and she did all the things herself, and in spite of financial constraint, financial hurdle, she uh, solving all the problem herself, not taking help, because nothing is coming from, neither from her parents side nor from law side, not from outside, and the people, even the opposite gender on the same gender in her HR, even commenting her very badly. So this is all the situation. I told her, tell your coming husband and he should sit together and be comfortable and listen to you properly and then decide. I hope you will like this information very well. If so, you can share. Who matters? Regards.